Hello class 7th. So today we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter 5th, heat the form of energy. So the chapter suggests that the heat is a form of energy. So we have to discuss, is the heat really a form of energy? So firstly we are going to discuss heat. So what is heat? As you know, there are many climates, right? We feel cold, we feel hot, we feel different types of moods we have according to our sensation. जो हम महसूस करते हैं वो हमें फील होता है, मतलब महसूस करना ही फील होता है, राइट? सो वी फील द टेम्परेचर. ओके, सो नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर लिविंग इन राजस्थान, राइट? तो जब आप सर्दियों में देखोगे, सो देयर इज अ मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर, मीन्स टू से इट इज कोल्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, but it is moderate according to the hilly areas. If we move in Shimla or even in Darjeeling in the summer season, not if we go in the summer season we feel cold, but in winter season if we go we feel extreme cold instead of Rajasthan. And when we compare Rajasthan and Shimla in summer, so we feel Shimla cold and Rajasthan hot. Okay, so आप अगर कुछ भी खाते हो, if you eat anything you can feel that this thing is hot, this thing is cold, right? This thing is warm. So we can say we can feel that thing, है ना? We can feel temperature. That is called heat. Which give you sensation of hotness and coldness is called heat. Okay. So heat is what? Heat gives you the sensation to feel anything, feel the temperature. Okay. So heat is a temperature feeling, hotness and coldness. So now according to the scientist, heat is a form of thermal energy. So there has given you the two names of scientists in your books, you can read out. So they have suggested an experiment in that they have performed कि जो heat है वो क्या है, एक type of energy है. Which type of energy? Thermal energy. Thermal means which gives you, thermal means to say heat sensations, heat, hot, thermal energy. So now next is energy can be converted from one place to another place or can be converted in one form to another form. Okay, so like we can say it is also a principle, it is the exact principle we are going to use. So this is a principle that energy can be converted from one form of energy to another form of energy. For this, so we can have examples, so how energy gets converted into different type of energies, because this is a quite confusing. So now first example is LPG in heat. So you have seen your gas stoves at your homes. घर पे देखा होगा सभी ने, गैस स्टोव्स होते हैं. तो उसमें क्या होता है, we use LPG cylinders. तो when we lit that, जब उसको अपने चलाते हैं तो क्या होता है, LPG gets converted into heat. The LPG gas you have seen gets converted into heat, means energy gets converted into heat. So now second is petrol burning and giving you the mechanical work. When you see you have motor cars, motorcycles, so you can see there is a petrol or even diesel. So when it burns it will give you the what? Mechanical work. When you give the petrol gets burned and it will give you the mechanical work, your bike or scooter runs. Third is rubbing your hands. When you rub your hands you are going to do a mechanical work, right? When you are doing your mechanical work it will give you what? Heat. When you rub your hands you will get your hands get warmer, गर्म होने लग जाते हैं आपके हाथ. That is called mechanical energy gets converted into heat energy. And last second is electrical energy into heat. When you see in your winters you use heaters for making your room warmer, right? That there will be no cooling more. So for that electrical energy we plug our heater in our plug and it will convert it into heat. The heat is coming out, which is called heater appliances are called converting electrical energy into heat energy. And the last one is coal to electricity. In your thermal plants from where our electricity came, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, coal gets burned and it will convert it into electricity in thermal power plants. So nearest thermal power plant is Suratgarh. Okay, so now we are going to consider effects of heat. अगर अपनों ने हीट की इतनी सारी एप्लीकेशन स्टडी की है, obviously heat will also give you some advantages and some more disadvantages. So we are going to discuss about effects of heat. So first is we are going to do a simple activity. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a container, put a water in it and put some vegetables in it. ओके कुछ सब्जियां रख देंगे उसमें, कुछ वेजिटेबल्स रख देंगे एक बॉल में, देन वी आर स्टार्ट गोइंग टू हीट दैट। ओके तो पहले क्या होगा, वाटर गेट्स वार्म, वाटर गर्म होगा। सो व्हेन वी सी बाय थर्मल टेम्परेचर, so what you will get, the temperature gets rise on increasing heat. Okay, so its first effect is when you increase the heat, temperature also rises, temperature बढ़ता जाएगा। Second is water heated overflows, so heat increases the volume. जब आप देखोगे when you boil the water, water gets upflow, water ऊपर आता है, उछलता है थोड़ा सा, that is called overflows. And when it overflows, उसकी वॉल्यूम जो है वो क्या होती है, इंक्रीज हो जाती है, वॉल्यूम गेट्स स्लाइटली इंक्रीज, इट इज कॉल्ड हीट गेट्स इंक्रीज इन वॉल्यूम। ओके एंड थर्ड वन इज वाटर, व्हेन यू प्रॉपर बॉयल द वाटर इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्टीम। ओके तो जो वाटर की जो स्टेट है वो लिक्विड थी, एंड लिक्विड इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्टीम। सो व्हाट इट मीन्स, इट विल अलाउ अ सब्सटेंस फॉर अ फिजिकल स्टेट चेंज, राइट, इट विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू लिक्विड टू gas, so it will provide you physical state change. So now the last second is taste of vegetables change. When you boil the vegetables, we have put that vegetables in, and when you proper boil that, and after some time when you take it out, you will see कि उसका जो taste है, taste will get changed. जो vegetables का raw vegetables का taste से वो change हो जाता है boils का taste. And second advantage is the vegetable gets softens, soft हो जाती हैं तभी अपने खा पाते हैं उसे। ओके सो देयर इज अ टेस्ट एंड स्टेट चेंज, लाइक केमिकल चेंज इज कॉल्ड दिस, क्योंकि वो हार्ड से सॉफ्ट हो गया तो मतलब क्या है वो, इट इज अ केमिकल चेंज। सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वी सफर इन समर, राइट, मीन्स इट इफेक्ट्स आवर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। जब अपने बाहर जाते हैं गर्मियों में, नाउ दीज आर द हॉट डेज, सो व्हेन वी गो आउट यू विल सी सनबर्न्स, राइट, जब अपने बाहर जाते हैं तो हमें क्या लगता है, गर्मी लगती है, वी फील वेरी हॉट, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, it also affects the living organism because we are living organism and that's going to affect us, that's indirectly what means, that is going to affect ourselves. Okay, so now we are going to see how expands, means to say how solid expand, how liquid expand, and how gases are going to expand. Okay, so now students we are going to study expansion in all the three states, solid, liquid and gas. So there are certain activities in this. So firstly, what is expansion? Expansion means when we heat any substance, even solid, liquid or gas, when we heat that, the molecules get moved faster and they expands a bit. Like solid expands a bit, liquid expands some more, and gases expands evenly very more. So okay, so molecules gain energy and move faster. This is called expansion, and this results in expansion, that after gaining energy it will move faster and then expands to from their position. So there is activity number 1. Here what you have given that there is a ring and there is a metallic ball. When before heating, the metallic ball is continuously passing through it. Okay, so it can easily pass through this ring. So now after when we heat, as you know that the ball, after heating that ball, this ball gets expand, the size will be slight greater. So after heating that, it will not pass through this ring and this will continuously staying at this ring. So this this indicates? This indicates that the metal expands. Okay, so now activity second, which is we have tied up two metal strips all along, that brass and iron are stripped together. Okay, and now here we have connected a cell, a ring and a pointer. Okay, so as you know, every metal expands differently, right? Some expands large, some expands small. Okay, so now these two are binded together. When we heat up this, when we give heat to this both metals, so what you will see? You will see that after some time it will get bend. Okay, so brass क्या होता है, bend हो गया. So after bending this, what this will show, that brass is more bending than iron, means brass more bends than iron and iron gets less bended. And when this will get bended, what will happen? This pointer will attach to this and the bell starts ringing, right, and circuit is complete. Because so now if there is some another metals, you can similarly experiment this on that metals, and when the heat is not given, it will come back to its mean position and the bell shuts up, okay, switch off. So now next is examples for that. There is one more example, which is when you see your cables, your electricity cables which are connected to poles, जो आपके गलियों में लगी होती हैं जो poles जिससे अपनी electricity आती है वो wires, that was also a part of expansion, right, क्योंकि उनको थोड़ा ढीला छोड़ा जाता है, okay, so that in a hot day जो क्या होता है वो लटकती रहती हैं, जब गर्मियाँ होती है तब वो लटकती हैं, and when in a cold day they will shrink, वो सिकुड़ जाती हैं और जिसके कारण वो सर्दियों में टाइट दिखती हैं. सो देयर इज एप्लीकेशन दैट जो वायर्स होती हैं उनको थोड़ा लूज छोड़ा जाता है जानबूझ के कि अगर सर्दियां आए तो वायर्स क्रैक ना हो, ओके. एंड देयर आर 2 more एग्जांपल्स व्हिच इज metal caps of bottles, like you can drink your coke bottles, like on that you have seen that कि metallic caps होते हैं, there are metallic caps. So when you pour warm water on that, what you will see, the metallic caps loosen and get easily out, okay, वो जल्दी बाहर आ जाते हैं metallic उस पे करने से. ग्लास टम्बलर, टम्बलर मीन्स गिलास होता है, ओके, सो जो कांच का गिलास होता है ग्लास टम्बलर, what will happen when we pour a very hot water in that, तो क्या करते हैं वो जब अपने कोई ज़्यादा गर्म पानी उसमें डाल दे तो क्या होता है वो क्रैक हो जाता है, टूट जाता है. सो व्हाट वाज द एप्लीकेशन, व्हाई इट ब्रेक्स, उसका ब्रेक होने का रीजन ये होता है कि जो सॉलिड होता है वो एक्स्ट्रा हीट मिलने से वो एक्सपेंड हो जाता है. व्हेन इट एक्सपेंड्स एंड इट गेट्स अ क्रैक इन इट, ओके. सो नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट इज, you have seen the steel bridge, when the steel bridge are placed they have given below tires, उनके नीचे टायर्स दिए होते हैं ताकि when they in summers when they will expand it will give you the proper recognition of the state. And railway tracks are also having a small gaps because of expansion, because when they expand they will get cracked, so that's why they will place the small gaps in 2 tracks so that after expansion they will get proper place. So now next is, we have discussed about that, now we are going to expansion of liquids. So liquids are slightly less stronger than solids because these molecules are placed afar from them. So when before heating it will give you proper, so what we have done, we have taken a flask, a round flask and a cork, after placing a hole in that, so lever mark of this water is here, and when we heat the water gets rise up and this will get to this mark, means the expansion in liquid, okay, because the water was here and rises to this level means there is expansion in liquids also. So now the last activity for gas is, what we have done, we have taken a round flask, opposite to that इसमें क्या किया है, there is a gas in this flask and there is a water. When we heat this flask the gas expands, जब गैस एक्सपेंड होगी तो it will go through the out opening. So ये opening है अपने पास में, यहाँ से गैस क्या होगी, एक्सपेंड होकर आउट जाएगी, बाहर जाएगी, and you will see when you heat this you will get see bubbles in this water, means the gas is coming outside in this, okay, and when you will stop this heating this will get against to that same position, okay. So this is the expansion of your gases, solids and liquids. So now in next lecture we are going to consider our main part which is temperature, कि temperature कैसे बढ़ता है, किससे measure करते हैं, कौन से scales use होते हैं, okay. So we will discuss that in next lecture. So this lecture is over. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.